Good morning, one and all. Now start the in this video responses of two-area system for uncontrolled case. There are two responses. One is the dynamic response, another one is the static response. So first we discuss about static response. The the changes or deviations which result the frequency and tie line power under steady state conditions. The following sudden step changes in the load in the two areas are determined. Let delta PD1 and delta 2 PD2 are sudden step changes in the load loads of control area 1 and control area 2 simultaneously. Delta Pg1 and delta Pg2 are the incremental changes in the generation of area 1 and area 2 as the result of which is the load changes. Here the delta F is the static change in frequency. This will be the same for both areas, and delta PT tie line 1 is the CMAT static changes of in the tie line power transmitted from area 1 and area 2. Since the static changes are being determined, the incremental changes generation can be determined by the static loop gains. So we have the delta Pg1, they are the statical loop gains, minus delta F1 by F by R1, and delta Pg2 is by delta F by R2 for static changes. Here the delta F is the changes in frequency. For two area system, the dynamics are described by the delta Pg1 minus delta PD1 equal to 2H1 by F4 of 0 d by d theta delta F1 plus B1 into delta F1 plus tie line power T1, and delta Pg2 minus delta PD2 equal to 2H2 by F4 of 0 d by dt into delta F2 plus B2 into delta F2 into tie line power. This is the equation 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Under steady state condition, we have the d by dt into delta F equal to 0. After substituting equation 1 and 2 and equation 5 in equation 3 and equation 4, we get minus delta F by R1 minus delta PD1 equal to B1 delta F plus P tie line power, and minus delta F by R2 minus delta PD2 equal to B2 delta F minus A12 into delta tie line power. Here we know that delta P tie line 2, A tie line 2 equal to minus A12 into delta P tie line, and delta F1 and delta F2 equal to delta F. From equation 6, we rewrite that equation. So delta P tie line equal to minus 1 by R1 plus B1 into delta F minus delta PD1. This is equation number 8. Substituting equation 8 in equation 7, we get the equation minus delta F by R2 minus delta PD2 equal to B2 into delta F minus A12 into 1 minus into 1 by R1 plus del R1 into R1 plus B1 into delta F minus delta PD1. So minus delta F by R2 minus B2 into delta F equal to delta PD2 plus A12 into 1 by R1 plus B1 into delta F plus A12 into delta PD1 minus into 1 by R2 plus B2 into delta F minus A12 minus A12 1 by R1 plus B1 into delta F equal to delta PD2 plus A1 into A12 into delta PD1 minus into 1 by R2 plus B2 plus A1 into 1 by R1 plus B1 into delta F equal to delta PD2 plus del A12 into delta PD1. Then finally we write the equation of change in frequency delta F equal to delta PD1 plus A12 into delta PD2 by B2 plus 1 by R2 plus A12 into B1 plus 1 by R. This is the equation represented number 9. And substituting equation 9 in equation 8, we get the delta tie line power equal to minus 1 by R1 into B1 into delta PD1 plus A12 delta PD2 by B2 plus 1 by R2 plus A12 into B1 plus 1 by R1 into delta PD1. And rewrite the above equation by B1 into B1 plus 1 by R1 into delta PD2 minus B2 into 1 by R2 into delta PD1 by B2 plus 1 by R12 plus A12 into B1 plus 1 by R1. This is equation number 10. And then finally, the equation 9 and 10 can be are modified as tie line frequency delta F1 delta F equal to delta PD1 plus A12 delta PD2 by B2 plus A12 into B2 beta 2 sorry beta 2 plus A12 into beta 1. ఏం ఫోన్ తీసుకున్నది వెయిట్ అయిపోయిందమ్మా లాస్ట్ ఈయననా నిజంగా మెంటల్ని అయిపోవచ్చిన టైంలో మాట్లాడుతున్నా నువ్వు ఇంటికి పిలిచేయండి నేను So tie line power. So this is the tie line frequency delta F equal to delta PD1 plus A12 into delta PD2 by B2 plus A12 into beta 1. Tie line power equal to P tie line equal to beta 1 delta PD2 minus beta 2 delta PD1 by beta 2 plus A12 into beta 1. Here the beta 1 equal to B1 plus 1 by R1, B1 beta 2 equal to BT2 plus 1 by R2. This is the equations can be modified in terms of beta 2 and delta PD2. So here this is the change in frequency formula. This is static response of change in tie line formula. This is the change in frequency. The equation number 9 is the change in frequency formula, and equation 10 number is change in tie line power formula. This is the equations are modified tie line frequency in terms of beta and tie line power. So equation 11 and 12 gives the values of static changes in frequency and tie line power respectively. As the result, a sudden step load changes in the two areas. It can be observed the frequency and tie line power deviations do not reduce the zero. In the uncontrolled case, consider two identical areas B1 equal to beta equal to B and beta 1 equal to beta 2 equal to beta, and B1 plus equal to B2, B1 equal to B2 equal to beta B, and R1 equal to R2 equal to R, and A12 equal to plus 1. So here the B means damping coefficient, R means speed regulation. Hence the from equations 11 and 12 we have delta F equal to delta PD2 plus delta PD1 by 2 beta Hs, and tie line power equation so tie line per unit equal to delta PD2 minus delta PD1 by 2 equal to delta tie line per in megawatt. This is equation number 14. So if sudden changes occurs only area 2, nothing but delta PD2 equal to 0, then we have delta F equal to delta PD2 by 2 beta Hs, and tie line power equal to delta PD2 by 2 per unit. By interconnected system, two system delta F will be half of likewise. You connect number of system, then we have delta F equal to delta F1 by P, delta F by N. So conclusion, so here the 50% of loaded and area 2 will be supplied by the area 1 by tie line. The frequency we drop will be only half of that which we would be experienced of the areas are operated alone. The several systems are interconnected, the steady state frequency would be reduced. So here the change in frequency does not a zero, In take of uncontrolled case, the number of systems are interconnected by the half of the frequency will be reduced. In the case of two areas connected, delta f equal to delta f by 2. The change in frequency reduced by two area in the half of the. In case of number of systems are connected by the change in frequency, delta f1 by delta f by n. Thank you.